More powder's going in. Thank you, boo. I appreciate that. Are you cool if we do layered bombs with the cans? Or do you want your laundry separated? Okay, perfect. Thank you, boo. All right. The noises are good. Chat, let's try to get one dish soap in, even if it's not the $7 one. I'm cool with that. I can't believe we haven't used dish soap this whole time. That's wild. I don't think that's ever happened. Yay, my Cassie poo's back. Or no, that's Tay. My Tay. Alright, I'm going to go get that fat now. They're so good. No, when Austin squeezes with me, he gets a lot of hype, so I had to kind of, what is the word, humble him. Because he's a little big-headed with y'all. He knows that y'all like him. He thinks he's the favorite.
I am.
No, he was talking about y'all, Saucy, not us. He's talking about TikTok. I don't have favorites when it comes to the household kids. I love them all differently, but with the same amount. Oh, Ash, for real? I'm telling Augie. Talking about period, Austin. What did you say?
I said I'm the favorite.
I have 2 kids of my own, but I have 3 stepkids. Well, technically 4. Because Dusty and Lori had a bunch of kids together. And then he's got 3 with her. And then 1 with another woman. I don't think that's gonna be an shit.
What else?
And it was Dusty used it to mop. He used the lavender in my house to mop his crib.
Let's go. What? I got the $15,000 bird.
Thank you guys for sending for this round of powders.
I'll play $2. Do you have the
Do you love lavender? Finally, my ass. Fondly my ass. Okay, okay. Now. Now, now. Now, now.
Yeah, you guys heard her. Right now.
No, I didn't say right now. I said now, now. Now, now, junkie. Calm down.
I just say your nickname.
That's not my nickname. Oh, what are you trying to say?
Jackie.
Wow. Gotcha, Austin. I know y'all heard that shit. He said, why'd you say yours? Okay.
That's what somebody said to y'all when y'all got in a fight. Started arguing.
They didn't call me a junkie.
No, they called you Jackie. I thought you said Jackie.
Yeah, yeah.
I did.
Be good.
Oh, I hit him.
Calm down, little one. In there now.
I'm hunting.
Easy on the yelling.
I'm hunting.
Hey, let's see.
Kill him. Do you have to load this one?
Because it ain't gonna go on there, right, y'all? Right.
Wait, I just left it.
Now we only have 4 bags of laundry to sell out of. Okay, we're gonna be using liquids every time we do them. We're gonna squeeze them out like we did just now because this is amazing. Honestly, that was good.
Oh, that's not right. There's just one little point.
Damn it, that one. Still kind of don't know how to handle that sponge just yet. Still, it's a little awkward.
Yeah.
It's way better with the liquid and the sponges after, right? That's most definitely good. I mean, like before the bombs. Period. Period. Yeah, there's only 4 bags of laundry left. There's 2 Ariels for $9, and then there's 2 $6 Arcadias. Hell, I don't know what to call it. Oh.
Should I switch to diesel?
What?
Should I switch myself to diesel?
Do you want to?
I really don't care.
Sure.
What about truck?
It was snowing here. I don't know if it's still snowing. I don't think so. Oh gosh, look at this little poor sponge. It's at the bottom chilling. What, help me squeeze? Yes, but I don't let them squeeze and comment. My stepson likes it the most. I let him squeeze with me if it's just laundry or if I'm not overwhelmed. I'll get that. I have 3 stepkids that come on the weekends, and then I have another stepdaughter, but she lives in New York. We could do a fake rinse if somebody sends for it. Yeah, of course. You already know, Lex. I do have to get off here shortly so that I can go to the grocery store while Dusty picks up the kids. So we can meet back here. Oh, why? Oh, shit. Well, then I'll have my stuff cleaned up. I don't even know now. I smell Ariel and... I smell Ariel right now. All right, you guys, after we smooth this out, we can do a real rinse or a fake rinse, and then I gotta dump this down the drains. And clean up. I have to fully clean up cabinets and all. I need to take this out. Oh yeah, we got that dish up too. Oh God, no, I'm not gonna save one bottle this time. Unless y'all want to see a save, I can do a save. I'm just not gonna save it. I'll dump. I don't mind doing that at all. Oh yeah, we have that dish soap. Oh yeah, Ash. You guys, does anybody want to send for a fake rinse? If they do, we could always use that dish soap for the fake rinse. I don't think Lex would mind. If she did, I'll put it in here. I was about to say, since we're done with powder. Thank you. You want to do it today, Kayla?
I'm not tired.
Because I ain't got cans now. You'd have to wait until later, yeah? We can do it later. I don't have cans now, though. I gotta get some. Why didn't you? I wish you would have told me to save cans. I didn't think.
Wondering why it was so freaking cold in here. You got the window open.
Okay, Kayla, sounds good. What, Sponge Junkie?
No, do you have 50 coins? Yeah. Is that like 50 coins?
My big ass belly's hanging out over here. Good thing y'all can't see that motherfucker. Don't look down at it. Will you pull my shirt down, please? My hair. My hair. It will fit over it. Don't fucking play.